Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to watch like lots of hauls or you want to get some tips on hair care, body care or skin care, you are at the right place and you can subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, I will be doing a traditional makeup look. I have never done a traditional makeup look on my channel. I'm out of breath. I will be wearing a proper sari and I've like hairstyle mein to I won't be doing anything, I don't think so. But full on makeup and all. I'm so excited because I love Indian wear. So let's get started with the video without wasting any more time. We'll begin with the skin prep. Like I have already done my skin preparation already, so I have applied lots of serum once I was out of shower because like my skin is extremely dry. So yes, I just have kajal and lip gloss on my face, like nothing. My fake nails are on, so I thought like while doing my makeup, like before doing my makeup only I will put on the nails. Like I applied little sparkle, like little gold glitter on it, so I think like glitter will be all over me. So I want to keep it very like basic, very minimum, because you know on my channel I do very basic, beginners friendly makeup look, and this is the makeup look that anyone who is trying out or who has just started trying out makeup, they can also do this look. So we'll start with the skin prep. Like I am using Mama Earth's like vitamin C face cream. It's like little bit illuminating, so it gives a glow to my skin. So I absolutely love this moisturizer. Like it leaves a fine glow on my skin. That's what I love about this moisturizer, and it has vitamin C. Like I cannot emphasize enough on having or adding vitamin C somehow in your skincare routine. So like right now my serums, my moisturizers, like they have vitamin C. So for filling in my brows, I will be using this Profusion Ka face kit. Like this is so helpful guys. Like it has 32 pieces. It has everything inside this. So yes. So for my eye look, I am using Huda Beauty. I recently purchased it. It was a birthday gift to myself. Yeah, and if you have not checked out that video, you can check out that video. So I am using Huda Beauty. I will be doing the easiest eye makeup look. So I will be using only 2 or 3 eyeshadows. So first is this eyeshadow I will be using and putting on my eyes. So I am doing my eyes first because in case there is some fallout, I can clean it. Second eyeshadow I will be using is this one, and I will be putting it in my crease only, like not taking it above my crease. Apply the eyeshadow with the lightest hand you can. It will give you the best result. Will take this color on my lower lash also. Like I have already applied kajal, but yes, I will be putting little bit glitter. Like this is this in color ka gold glitter. I will add the link and everything in the description box. So like don't forget to check out the description box. Link for everything will be there. So this is a multi-purpose glitter guys. So I put this glitter on my nails as well. I painted it like little bit brownish red, and then I apply it like this glitter on top. Like it works like good for that also. Like I will take this and pack it on my eyelid. I'm not liking that glitter thing, so I removed it. I don't know, it is all over my face. Like previously when I used it, I didn't had this problem. I changed my top because I felt that white top was not going that much with the vibe, even with my nails. So yes, even though like my outfit is a sari and it's totally different, but still. On to the palette, so I will use this shade and I will apply using my fingers only. Take the same fluffy brush and like will go on my crease line so that there is no harsh line, and will blend it. I'm done with my eyeshadow and I have cleaned my under eyes a bit because I was not liking it. It didn't happen with me with this glitter previously. I don't know why I faced this issue of like, let's skip it. And then I will apply the eyeliner, and it's Lakme's eyeliner, and like shine line, it's the wand is very thin. That's what I like the best about it. So it's so easy to apply the eyeliner. I will use this mascara, like Maybelline mascara. They make amazing mascaras. For kajal, I am using Swiss Beauty's kajal. So now I will move on to my face. I will apply concealer. So for concealer, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal. Like, I think it's a cult favorite. I don't have to say anything about this concealer. So I will not go on board with this, as we are doing Indian look. So I feel this is the look that even if you are newly married and you like some guests are coming on your at your place, and like you want to look little bit presentable, then you can do this makeup, because I think like golden tint हर एक उसके अंदर रहता ही. I am using this pack का sponge, like run it under the tap and squeeze the excess water, so it's like damp but like water is not coming out. So that's how you want your sponge to be. And then using it, then you apply, dab and like push the product inside. Foundation, I am using Faces Canada. Like my shade in this is beige. Like as I said, like I made a video regarding how to choose the perfect foundation shade. I will start using, I'm using it because this is very lightweight for me, and I want my foundations to be very lightweight. So as I said in that video also, like the name of the foundation will like tell you like which foundation you want to use. As you saw that the concealer name was Pure Beige, and the foundation name is beige. So if you have not checked out the video, like I have added like pretty like helpful stuff in there, so I will add the link in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Setting my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me. I recently started using it, and from then I'm not able to like put it down. My shade is medium Moyen. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So I will take little bit on here, and then I using the same sponge, so I will apply the like this on my face. This is such a nice powder, guys. Like even if like you are going for parties or anything, and like you are like planning to get lots of pictures clicked, then this is the like right like setting powder for you, loose powder for you, because this gets amazing pictures. If you are a like newbie who is starting out in YouTube, or like if you are like pursuing something, then like you can use this powder, because like this creates like a very beautiful effect in videos. Like as you can see, like it's looking so flawless and perfect, and it gives such a beautiful coverage. Like if you are like it gives like a airbrushed kind of finish. The foundation, or like put everything on the neck as well, so that it doesn't look different. For my face, for bronzing and blush, and like I didn't like this highlighter that much, but I am using Rimmel's kit. Like the bronzer and blush is absolutely amazing, so I am using this little bit of like angled brush. Like if I found something, it is Moshe, I don't know. Like if I am able to find a link, I will add it in the description box. This is the contour, so I'm sorry, bronzer, so I'm not going heavy with the contour and everything. Using the same brush only, I will apply the blush. It has a little bit shimmer to it. That's what I like about it, so I don't have to apply like highlighter that much. Like if you are not into highlighter, then you can just apply this blush and you are sorted. So I will again take this sponge and blend everything together, so like my makeup and everything looks flawless. Like the key to perfect makeup is blending. Blend till your hands fall off. Oh, what I forgot to apply primer. I don't know why this happens with me every time. My lipstick is done. Like I absolutely love the shade. I think I didn't shoot the shade. Like it is Sugar Ka Toast Roast. Like this is such a beautiful shade, guys. Like try it, and like this compliments Indian people like anything. Makeup and everything is done, so I will be back in a jiffy, like with my outfit and everything. Although for you people it will be 1 second, but for me, like I don't know how much time it will take for me to wrap a sari, because I have not done that since like a long time. Hi guys, I'm back with my sari and like earring and little bit of jewelry. I removed my nails because like they were getting in the way. So like I absolutely love how this is looking. I love the earrings. I will add the full clip. Absolutely loved it. Like I got it as a gift, and like this is so wonderful. Like I loved it so much. I will try to do more sari or traditional looks on my channel. And yeah, let me know what do you think about this look. Let me know what do you think about this look, or if you want me to more videos like this. And yes, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot, and do let me know if I should make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.